Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to compute mean, median, and mode in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's understand the idea of mean, median, and mode. Mean is the average of a set of numbers. Median is the middle value when the numbers are arranged in order. And mode is the most frequently occurring number in the set. Now, use of mean and median depends on the nature of the data. If your data is normally distributed, we use mean. And if the data is skewed, we use median. So here I have three data sets, hypothetical data sets, variable X, variable Y, and categories. So let's find the mean of X. So the function is average. So you write equal to and then average, open the bracket, select the range. So range is A2 to A11 and then press enter. So here we have the mean, that is 30.2. Now variable Y is skewed and therefore instead of using mean, we are going to use median because mean is affected by extreme values. So what is the formula to compute mean? Median, it is equal to, right? Median and then select the range. So here the range is C2 to C15 and press enter. So median is 8. And here we have categories. So this data needs mode. There is no sense in calculating mean or median. See the use of mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring number in the set. So which category is the most frequently occurring category? So I have four categories, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So observation, if observation falls in category 1, then 1 is written here. If observation falls in category 4, then we have 4. This is how data is entered. Now we want to find the most frequently occurring category. So therefore you write equal to and then mode, open the bracket, select the range. So it is E2 to E11, close the bracket and press enter. So you can see the most frequently occurring category is 2. So you can see 2 occurred, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So category number 2 occurred 4 times in the data and therefore mode is 2. So this is how we can compute mean, mode, median using the functions. I have also explained how to find descriptive statistics using some other methods in my another video. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.